actually an internal tool called Dogfooding at.
Cool. So it's probably worth saying something about internal tools at Hackathon. So come on in, guys. One of my favorite things to see coming out of these hackathons are internal tools, because, unlike product features, which, it's really just the beginning of an idea that then needs to get, built out more fully to get to a quality level where we'll want to ship it to everyone in the community. An internal tool, if people find it useful, people can start using it immediately. So every time we have a hackathon, we see that there's a bunch of groups who just build some internal tools that just make it easier for everyone around the company to build better stuff. And that might not be the type of technology that people in our community see directly, but it's a really important part of building the company and making sure that we can continue building awesome stuff. So I always love seeing the internal tools myself. It might not be the kind of the sexiest feature, but I actually think that in a lot of ways it's like some of the most important stuff that comes out of these. So why don't you guys introduce yourselves?
Hi, I'm Isra. I work on product operations.
I'm Pong, and I'm also on product operations.
I'm Kelly, and I'm an engineer on the internationalization team.
I'm Ricky on the Messenger Web team.
I'm a read engineer on commerce.
Hi, I'm Justin from Pages Engineering.
Okay, so awesome. How did you guys find each other?
Yeah.
Well, so I think I'm the one who knows everyone here. So Pong and I are on the same team. Friends with Arib, I work with Justin on Pages. And Ricky, I met through Pong. And Kelly through dog fooding stuff.
Wow. So you're the glue.
You're the connector.
All right, so take us away.
Awesome. So for our hackathon, we really wanted to rethink and redesign something that we all do on a daily basis and something that is vital to our product's quality and health. And that is dog fooding. So for those who don't know, dog fooding is essentially when we use internal versions of our app, test that out, and make sure that the product quality is high before we ship to public users. So what we created for our hackathon is a dog fooding portal. So let's take a deep dive. Now, going from the very top, we see your holistic dog fooding overview. So you see all the bugs you've reported with a per platform breakdown, so you can see exactly where you're testing the most and where maybe you need to test out some more. Going down, we have this fun one over here, which is your comparison stats. So not only can you see how many bugs you reported total, but you can see exactly how you compare to your team and your org.
Nice. A little competition.
Yeah, exactly. Never hurt anyone.
Now things are getting
Exactly. Oh, just you wait. There's more coming. So one of the other things that we really wanted to think about during our hackathon is how do we instill more recognition for dog fooding in general. So what we created is pretty fun. It's a dog fooding karma bot. So the way this works is you simply write #dogfood. And then a message of thanks for someone who's really done an awesome job dog fooding your product, testing it out, seeing if there's any flaws, and then they will get a dog fooding karma point. So now what happens then is your karma point is associated to one of these achievement badges up here. So these different badges associate.
It's like you've got everything. It's like you will receive in the mail.
Yeah, it's coming. So these different dog fooding badges are sort of rewards to help incentivize people to test on areas where we typically maybe don't get a lot of signal. In particular, we have an empathy badge, so encouraging dog fooding of areas such as 2G or accessibility, where we typically might not get a chance to experience that.
Is that Greg Mara who's winning?
Maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe. We're not allowed to. Yes, I'm sure he's very happy to see this.
The best.
So yes, going down to this, we have the top dog fooders, top 100 dog fooders. So this is the list of the top 100 people who have tested on a bunch of products at Facebook, because as we all know, a little friendly rivalry never hurt anyone. So
this is great.
Yeah, so this is over the past 90 days and it refreshes, so every day it can change. So if you don't see your name on here and you want to be, keep on reporting bugs.
We got some work to do.
I know.
So overall, we really wanted to make this something that makes the dog fooding experience a lot more fun and just brings more visibility. And we really hope that this improves the experience of dog fooding and testing at Facebook.
Awesome. Good work, guys.
Cool.
Thank you.
Awesome. Thanks.
This is really neat. See, this is something that I hope will have a big impact. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, it's already shipped.
It's already
Yeah,
shipped,
sure.
so we're going to
People
announce
already
it
use
actually
it.
right after this.
It's like we're just here as a formality. I mean, I think it's an important part of the culture, I think, to recognize and spend time looking at the internal tools that people are building as well as the external stuff. You know, no one's going to write, you know, a blog post or you know, a newspaper article about an internal tool that we build. But when you're thinking about building a company and about serving a community at the scale that Facebook does, this is the kind of stuff that makes this work, right? So it's this kind of investment in these kind of projects. So so thanks, guys, for what you're doing.
Thank you.
Awesome.
So-
Thank you.
That was clever.
Keep dog fooding.
You guys are not top 100, is FYI.
Is that
Just threw